Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Breville that was brought in by Tony. It was making some strange noises and having some general troubles producing coffee. Those troubles were solved with a solenoid valve. It's a manifold, really, is what it is. It's a solenoid manifold was replaced along with the pump, and that's got us to the point where we can push that button and brew a cup of coffee. There is some issue with the grind that we have here and the amount of pressure and etc. You'll see it's going up to pressure now, and it's going to brew a very decent cup of coffee. However, this is very dependent on the grind for this machine, and it's very dependent on the amount of weight that's in the basket right now. So Tony, you're going to have to fine-tune your coffee, because what comes out of your grinder may not be the same as what comes out of ours. But as you can see, it's making a good cup of coffee, and the machine's up and running. So you can come and get it. Thanks for watching these videos. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.